Are you a senior woman planning to travel alone? One of the biggest challenges you may face is packing for your trip. In this video, we will provide you with some valuable packing tips that will help you travel light and smart during your solo adventure. Creating a packing list is an essential step before starting to pack. It'll help you to stay organized and save time later on. Write down all the items you need, including clothes, toiletries, accessories, and anything else you plan to bring. Make sure to cross off the items as you pack them in order to avoid leaving anything behind. When choosing what to pack, go for versatile items that can be used in multiple ways. For example, pack a scarf that can be used as a shawl, a belt that can double as a necklace, and shoes that match several outfits. Also, choose practical clothing that's comfortable to wear and easy to care for. One of the biggest challenges when packing is often fitting everything into your suitcase. Here are some tips for maximizing space. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. Use packing cubes and compression bags to organize and compact items. Place small items such as socks and underwear inside shoes and stuff clothes in the gaps. It's always a good idea to pack some essentials in your carry-on bag, just in case your checked luggage gets lost or delayed. Your carry-on should contain important documents, such as your passport and boarding pass, medication, a change of clothes, and some toiletries. Make sure your carry-on is lightweight and easy to handle. With these packing tips in mind, senior women traveling alone can make their trips more comfortable and enjoyable. Remember, it's always better to travel light and smart so that you can relax and enjoy the journey. Bon voyage!